Actually, dito yung balikatan, it's an activity of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. However, since nga na ito Ilocos Norte iti may isang disu iti activity da um, uh, ongoing daytoy balikatan exercises tayo, and at the same time yung security preparations meet lang ng ating PNP on the ground with the help of the local government unit of the province and all the areas covering the shoreline, the Ilocos Norte, coastal areas tayo, specifically Lawag, Badok, and all the way to Burgos. They also have activities in Batak. The primary purpose of this is to strengthen the capability of the Philippines and other partners of the Philippines tapno no kastakit maprotektahan iti ili tayo when it comes to sovereignty. Another thing is that we encourage or we ask for the understanding for the community, especially itong activity na to ng balikatan, it involves live firing. So there is an actual uh, firing on the ground. That's why nagkaroon po ng advisory sa ating mga fishermen not to do the fishing on the coverage of the date ng activity, specifically starting nung last week of April until May 7. Yun po yung coverage dates ng ating activity.
Paano naman natin may...
Okay. For the safety of the residents, nag-coordinate na po tayo sa mga local government units at mga barangay na mismong pagdadausan. For example, La Paz, yung ating police officer of Lawag City already coordinated to the local government unit. At the same time, nag-effort na din po tayo na kausapin ng ating mga barangay officials and of course our residents to abide with the regulations in relation na rin po dito sa balikatan. As of this moment, fortunately, wala pa naman po tayong incident. When it comes to assistance, yesterday, our provincial director, Police Colonel Jomar Quilabiano with Governor, made the announcement yesterday nga meron pong assistance na maibibigay sa mga fisher folks natin during the conduct of the balikatan. If I'm not mistaken, more than 5,000 pesos po for 4 days yung maibibigay sa kanila during the said duration of non-fishing for those particular days covered by the activity. Financial assistance. Already coordinating provincial government and the localities to ensure that the said activity will not in any way hamper the livelihood, and very minimal lang naman po yung impact nito sa fishing grounds ng locality po natin.